Hey guys, so this is going to be a very quick video. So as we all know, HubSpot charges us in terms of the marketing contacts which we use. So for every tier, there are a specific number of marketing contacts you can market to. And if you cross that limit, then you have to pay more. And a lot of times we hit this limit, this tier marketing contacts tier limit very quickly. And there's a very useful and a handy way to keep this in check and to reduce the number of marketing contacts over time. And this is what I implement for a lot of my clients because this is the quickest way to reduce the number of marketing contacts and make space for more contacts you can market to. Okay, so to do this, you need to go to CRM, click on segments, click create segment. We'll keep this as contacts and over here, click on add filter, click on contact properties, and under contact properties, just type in bounce, email outbound, hard bounce reason. Now, for myself personally, what I do is I just keep it as known because for me, I treat every email hard bounce as the same. So I'll just say email hard bounce reason is known. Or what I'll say is the number of unsubscribes. Unsubscribe from all emails is true. Okay. So if you do this, you will find that you will be able to identify a lot of contacts which fall under these two categories. And these are basically of no use to you because if the hard bounce reason is known, that means the email is going to hard bounce. So you cannot market to such people. And if it's unsubscribed from all email, it means that they do not want to hear back from you. So it's no use keeping these two categories of contacts, which normally I see a lot of my clients or companies keeping inside of their HubSpot. So you can clear this on say a weekly or a monthly basis and ensure that you have your marketing contacts under check and you also make space for adding in more contacts so you can market to and replace these with. So that was the video about a very quick one, but a very effective one if you want to keep your marketing contacts in check. Thank you.